What's going on? Today we're going to a car wash. I am again on the 88 Honda, the Hurricane 1000. So just going for a quick little afternoon ride today. Nice little scenic area here. It's almost looks like it's gonna rain. Quick little pull. Car wash is somewhere up here. Yep, right here. I was looking further up. Should have brought a towel with me, but I did not. So, yeah, I gotta live with that now. I've not cleaned this bike in the year that I've had it, so this will not clean easy. Yeah, don't look at how faded yellow this windscreen is. It's just not. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't see it. It smells really good, like bubblegummy kind of smell. Oh yeah. Looking much better now. Cooler off a bit, you know. Thank you for your business. I don't know how to shut this thing off. Whatever, if you get here in the next 4 minutes, 13 seconds. Oh, yeah. Alright. It is time. Gotta go to that picture. I'm going to watch Superman tonight. Probably. Not 100% sure yet, but probably. It's a little, maybe not muddy, but a little loose. Not done it on this bike yet, so. It's a little sketchy. Should not take 1000cc bikes on roads like this. Do not do it. It's too much fun. Just cleaned it. I'm already freaking spinning in the dirt. Ooh, right there. right up here. Yeah. Yeah. Come with me. See, we'll see how hard this gets. If it gets much more than just a dirt road. It's a little muddy here, but we can go around. Alright, so it is right here. A little abandoned highway kind of thing, a little abandoned road. Just go to one side and then the other and then turn around. Get out of here. The yellow line, that's the middle of the road. Yeah. Completely overgrown and not maintained. It's a little bit sketchy doing this. It's a little sketchy being here. Alright, that's it. Nothing else. Good. Yeah. Oh, homeless camp. Alright, I'm leaving. Not staying for the homeless people. There's no freaking needles. Should we turn on my Cardo? Put some music on. Yeah, not doing that. I don't feel like turning around over there or really anywhere on this road. Looks like it opens up a little bit. I'll go. Whatever. Whatever. See, it opens up, so I'll just turn around over here. Just slightly, but it's better. So, yeah, it just ends randomly, super abruptly. I almost just went to turn on my blinker. I'm alone, and if I'm not alone, something's wrong. But yeah, she's getting hot, just going 20 miles an hour. Yeah, don't need a supermoto when you go. When I'm riding this thing. Alright, gas station time. Fill her up real quick.